Did you know that you can transform your performance with just 5 minutes a day? A simple exercise done in the comfort of your home could be the key to stronger, longer-lasting, and more consistent erections. And the best part, no medications, no side effects, and real results. If you've been feeling a loss of power, difficulty maintaining an erection, or insecurity at the crucial moment, pay attention. Science has already shown that one specific muscle, ignored by most men, has a direct impact on your performance. And in this video, you'll learn exactly how to activate and strengthen this muscle quickly and naturally. Stick around until the end, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover the step-by-step and understand why so many men are adopting this technique. The key muscle responsible for erection quality is the pubococcygeus (PC) muscle, an essential part of the male pelvic floor. When weak or inactive, it directly compromises blood flow to the penis, reducing firmness, making it harder to maintain, and harming control during intercourse. This muscle acts like a natural pump. It compresses vessels and stimulates blood flow to the genital organ. Strengthening it means supercharging this internal pump, improving potency, duration, and erectile response time. The suggested exercise is simple, yet powerful. Sit or lie down comfortably. Contract the muscle as if you're trying to stop the flow of urine. Hold for 5 seconds. Relax for 5 seconds. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions daily. Within a few days, most practitioners report increased body awareness and sensitivity. In a few weeks, the results are visible and noticeable, both physically and mentally. Erectile dysfunction can have multiple causes, but one of the most overlooked is the weakening of pelvic muscles. Sedentary lifestyle, poor posture, excessive sitting, and being overweight all reduce the tone of the PC muscle, making proper blood flow to the penis more difficult. Besides improving erectile function, strengthening this muscle brings other health benefits: prevention of urinary incontinence, reduction in lower back and pelvic pain, improved bowel function, support for prostate health. In other words, we're talking about a global impact on male well-being. And the best part, it's completely natural, free, and without contraindications. According to the International Society for Sexual Medicine, pelvic floor exercises have proven effectiveness for men with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction, with significant improvement in up to 76% of cases after just 12 weeks of regular practice. Renowned urologist Dr. Grace Dory, author of clinical studies on the subject, states, "Many men rely on medication but don't treat the real cause of dysfunction. Pelvic floor strengthening should be the first step." Additionally, physical therapists specializing in male intimate health point out that Kegel exercises adapted for men increase ejaculatory control and penile sensitivity. If this muscle is so powerful, why does no one talk about it? Why is this exercise so simple, still unknown to most men? Could it be that the true secret to performance is hidden within your own body? In upcoming videos, we'll explore more advanced variations, as well as silent habits that sabotage your results without you realizing it. You're making at least one of them, and it might be destroying your progress without you knowing. Subscribe now, because this journey is just beginning. By strengthening the PC muscle, you're not only improving physical function, you're triggering an internal transformation that directly impacts your mind. Men who adopt this practice report reduced performance anxiety, increased sexual self-esteem, sense of control over their own body, more energy and confidence in intimate interactions, rekindled desire and intimacy in relationships. The simple act of taking care of your virility creates a domino effect in other areas. You feel more confident, more active, and more present. It's not just about having a stronger erection, it's about reclaiming control of your masculine identity. Now that you know the technique, the responsibility is in your hands. There's no miracle, but there is consistency, and 5 minutes a day can be the game changer between insecurity and total confidence. Start now. No excuses. Write it down on your phone, set an alarm, make this exercise a daily ritual, and in a few weeks, with practice and patience, the results will show and surprise you. Like the video, share it with a friend who needs to hear this discreetly, and comment below. 5 minutes a day. Challenge accepted. See you in the next video with more strategies to unlock your true masculine power.